Credit is more powerful than money because money is static, while credit is dynamic. Money is limited to what you hold in your hand or in your account. While credit expands your possibilities far beyond your immediate resources, money is a snapshot of your present situation, while credit is a projection of your future potential. When you have money, you can only spend what you see. But when you have credit, you can leverage trust, reputation, and opportunity to multiply your reach. Credit is the invisible engine that drives economies because it allows individuals and businesses to act today based on tomorrow's promise. Money can buy a car, but credit can build a fleet. Money can pay rent, but credit can secure a mortgage. Money can purchase inventory, but credit can scale a company. Credit transforms limitation into expansion because it is not just about possession, but about confidence and reliability. Banks, investors, and partners do not look only at how much money you have. They look at how strong your credit is because credit signals discipline, consistency, and foresight. Money can disappear in a single transaction, but credit remains as long as you protect it, nurture it, and honor it. Credit is the bridge between dreams and reality because it allows you to act on visions bigger than your wallet. Money is a tool, but credit is a system. Money is finite, but credit is renewable. Money is a transaction, but credit is a relationship. When you understand credit, you understand leverage. And leverage is the secret of growth. The wealthiest people in the world do not rely solely on cash. They rely on credit lines, loans, and trust networks that amplify their influence. Credit is not just financial, it is social and professional too. Because your word, your reputation, your reliability are forms of credit that open doors money cannot. Money can buy access, but credit earns respect. Money can pay for services, but credit builds partnerships. Money can be stolen, but credit must be earned. When you cultivate credit, you cultivate power, because you are building a foundation that multiplies itself. Credit is the art of turning time into value, because it allows you to use tomorrow's resources today. Money is the fruit, but credit is the soil. Money is the harvest, but credit is the rain. Without credit, money stagnates, but with credit, money circulates and grows. Credit is the pulse of progress because it fuels innovation. Risk-taking and expansion. Money is comfort, but credit is possibility. Money is survival, but credit is evolution. When you master credit, you master the future, because you are no longer confined to what you hold. You are empowered by what you can create. Credit is more powerful than money, because money ends where your pocket ends, but credit begins where your vision starts. Money is the present, but credit is the future. Money is what you have, but credit is who you are. Protect your credit nurture. Your credit expand your credit, because in the long run, credit will open more doors than money ever could. Credit is the invisible currency of trust, and trust is the most valuable asset in the world. When you walk into a room with strong credit, you carry invisible capital that speaks louder than cash. When you negotiate with strong credit, you are not begging, you are commanding. When you build with strong credit, you are not limited by today's wallet. You are empowered by tomorrow's promise. Credit is the multiplier of ambition, because it turns ideas into enterprises. It turns small beginnings into empires. It turns ordinary people into extraordinary builders. Money can buy a moment, but credit can build a legacy. Money can solve today, but credit can secure tomorrow. Money can purchase comfort, but credit can create freedom. Credit is the foundation of every skyscraper, every corporation, every innovation. Because behind every bold move, there was trust extended and credit granted. Credit is the silent partner in every success story. It is the unseen force that allows visionaries to act before the world catches up. And that is why credit is not just more powerful than money. It's the very language of progress.